Hello, dear student. Welcome back to physics class. Today's question is what happens on the potential difference of capacitance on inserting the dielectric slab between the plates of a capacitor. Okay, so if we consider this is the parallel plate capacitor, and if we insert a dielectric slab between the parallel plate capacitor of dielectric constant K, then what happens on the potential difference between the plates of capacitor and what happens on capacitance of the capacitor. Okay, so let us see how can we describe the potential difference and capacitance between the parallel plate capacitor on inserting the dielectric slab. So first is effect on potential difference. Since we know that the dielectric constant K may be defined as the electric field intensity in the medium, air or vacuum, upon the electric field intensity in any medium. Okay, so the dielectric constant may be written as K is equal to E naught upon E, where E naught is the electric field intensity in the air medium and E is the electric field in the any medium. Okay, so on multiplying by the distance between the parallel plate capacitor, which is small d, so E naught into d is upon E into d is equal to K, and we know that electric field and the distance is equal to potential, so this relation becomes B naught upon P is equal to K, and we know that the dielectric constant is always greater than 1 for any medium. So from this relation we can say that V naught is greater than V. It means V is in any medium. So if we placed any medium between the plates of capacitor, the potential difference between the plates will be reduces or decreases. Okay, so we can say that if we insert the dielectric slab between the parallel plate capacitor, the potential difference will be reduces or decreases. Now the effect on capacitance, since we know that if no any medium between the parallel plate capacitor, then the capacitance of the capacitor will be C naught is equal to epsilon naught A upon D, where A is the area of the plate and D is the separation between the plates of the capacitor. And if we placed the dielectric slab of dielectric constant K, the capacitance will be C dash is equal to K epsilon naught A upon D. From this relation, C dash is K times of the C naught. So we can say that C dash is greater than C naught. It means the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor will be increases on inserting the dielectric slab between the parallel plate, between the plates of the capacitor. Okay, thank you, student.